All right, in this video, we're going to talk about the easiest way to remove a wrap. This one here is actually been way too long. You should replace your wrap within the recommended time. I really don't recommend using a wrap. I would definitely go back to the old hand painted. But if you've got your thing wrapped, your whatever it is, I'll show you the best way to get the wrap off. This is just a small steamer. They have bigger ones, like the wrap shops or whatever will have a, full-size one. This does the job just fine. The steamer is probably the best method. You can use a heat gun to get it warm, and if you have a paint that's underneath that's in decent shape, if you can see, this one here is coming apart, so there's no saving the paint underneath this one. And this is sticker glue underneath that. And I'll show you how to get that off real easily. But I'll warn you, if it's this bad, a lot of times, whatever vehicle it's on is worthless, because it'll cost more money to remove this and repaint it than the vehicle's worth. So anyway, our steamer's warming up. I'll let it get a little bit hotter. Let's give it a shot now. I usually have a glove on this hand because it gets kind of hot. And just take the steamer, get the area warm, and remove it. This is actually coming off much faster than other ways. If the wrap's kind of fresh or not too old, it should come off pretty quickly with the steamer. You can see, if you can imagine, a vehicle this size, it would cost a lot of money to remove this wrap. And it would, basically the vehicle at this point is ruined. So, because it's cheaper to replace the vehicle than actually to remove the wrap and redo it at this point. So that's why I say, if you're getting something done, if you have a trailer and you're going to do it, I always would say replace, put on a hand painted letter set, because this is, you can repaint painted letters, but doing this is not going to be equitable, because it's going to cost you more money than it's going to be replace it. So, but if you have a vehicle and you want to try and save it, it's yours. This is probably the best method. If you're using if you're trying to save the paint underneath, please don't use a razor blade. It's best to use a plastic. They have a plastic razor blade that works fine. But here's the product right here. A lot of guys don't know this. This is something super secret, not many people know. This is orange air freshener. This is pure citrus. The same, you got to use this brand. I've tried Goof Off. I've tried lacquer thinner. I've tried acetone. I've tried mineral spirits. I've tried every product you can imagine. Again, I'm in the sign business. I've removed tons of vinyl. The fastest product, and they have a product called Rapid Remover. It's a trade industry vinyl removing. It removes the glue. It's called Rapid Remover. That one works pretty good. It's pretty close to this. But this you can get at the hardware store. The Rapid Remover you have to order online. You have to get it from a Sign Supply or something like that. But you can get this at Home Depot. They have this at the cheapest place is Walmart. And all you do, spray it on. Sometimes I'll do like 2 coats. I'll put 1 coat on and let it kind of sit for a minute. And I'll do it again. And it just removes the glue. A lot of guys say Goof Off works better. Nope. Or that Goo Gone. Nope. Not even close. Not even close. This stuff takes the glue off immediately. Okay, and if you can see, those are pinholes in the paint. This trailer has to get repainted. Partly because water gets underneath it and that damages the paint from the vinyl. Like I said, people think, oh wow, this is easy, we'll get a shortcut thing. These wraps aren't very expensive. And they think, oh wow, I'll just get a wrap because, it's good for business or whatever. But what happens is you end up with a trailer that's, basically this trailer is like probably $20,000. And now it's it's worth nothing really. I mean, by the time you can go and have it redone, it'd probably be cost you more money than the trailer's worth to have the wrap redone on something like this. I'm doing this for a trailer dealer, and he bought this, and he's just trying to get rid of it. He's had it for a couple of years, didn't know what to do with it. So I said, you know, maybe I'll just make some videos for you and pay me a little bit of money, and I'll try and save it. So I'm gonna get this down and see. We tried sanding it. This is glue residue. This took longer than that. And this, you have multiple processes. So you have to remove the vinyl, then you have to remove the glue. Now, if it's a good painted vehicle underneath, maybe you can save it if it's not that old. But when it's like this is wasted. You know, this is, the whole trailer is just done. This should be just, you know, most people would just throw this away. You could re-side it with aluminum. That would probably cost you almost what the trailer cost new. So anyway, but yeah, they even put the wrap on the windows. It had that screen stuff on here, and then around the trim, and just trying to get that off of here, it's going to damage that. There's no way you're going to get that off. So I'm just going to paint this black again, you know, that sort of thing. Just kind of get this trailer, and then somebody else, maybe they'll have it hand painted on there and use this trailer again, because this is a 5,200 pound axle trailer. I mean, this trailer probably cost $25,000 to replace, and now it's pretty much worthless because the wrap, you know, they went and had, you know, the cheaper thing. Just so you know, if you want to do something like this, if you're going to have a business and you want to put something on it, honestly, painted. And people go, well, the paint fades. Well, so what? Then you can have it, you just touch. You have them go out and retouch it every couple of years. If you put on a wrap, you're going to have to remove it and replace it every couple of years. And believe me, removing it is going to cost you probably more money than it is to replace the wrap. So, you know, companies that do it, they use a steamer and they'll take it off and they'll chart, you know, see how much time it takes that little area. When the wrap's in better shape, it comes off a lot easier than that, but it still takes a lot of time to remove the wrap and then put a new one on. So the maintenance cost on a wrap's probably higher, even though you spend a little bit more on that hand-painted letters. At the end, you probably end up with it cheaper over the long haul. So if over a 20, 30-year period, if you can keep a trailer that long and maintain it, you'll probably have that, you know, get your money back by having hand-painted letters. You know, the old way, I think, is better than the new way. Again. All right, so that's it for this, guys. I'll talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.